Please, please work. Hey guys, I have some brand new limited edition merch available in 3 different designs that I helped create. They're available in multiple styles, including hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and more, and you can choose between many colors and of course multiple sizes. Check out the link down below before the campaign ends to help support this channel and also get your hands on some awesome shirts. What is going on, everybody? It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today's video is a very exciting one. We are going to be making a vegan steak together. Yes, it's happening. Now, I have never tried this. I have never, ever in my life attempted to make a vegan steak, so I am nervous to say the least. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, and if you guys have seen any of my previous cook with me videos, you know that sometimes it does not go as planned, okay? I have no idea if it's going to work out. I have no idea if it's going to fail completely. Either way, this is going to be available for your entertainment, so yes. What is going on outside? Believe it or not, guys, it is like daytime. It is like dark outside. I don't know what's happening, but it's dark. I'm trying to work with the lights. Let's see how this goes. So this is going to be one of those situations where I follow a recipe to the T. I mean, I am going to follow the instructions step by step, every single thing to the best of my ability. I'm going to measure every single ingredient. I've already measured many of the ingredients. As you can see here, I am prepared. Okay. I feel like this is like a science, okay? You don't want to mess this up because I feel like if you mess one thing up, it's going to just collapse. I have no idea. We are working with Vital Wheat gluten, which is something I've only worked with like once or twice before. So it's not something I am very familiar with. So let's try. Wish me luck. By the way, if y'all are looking at this cute shirt, this is actually my merch. I got some new merch, guys. I like to call it the Savage Collection. If you guys don't know, I have a vegan cafe over here and it's called Savage Cafe. So I thought I would take that word, which is obviously a play on words on the word savage, and it's savage, you see? Okay. I think it's cute and I think it's a nice little play on words. So if you guys want to get your hands on any of these shirts, definitely check out the link down below. These are limited edition. If you are interested, it is available for you. Okay. All right, well, that was the plug for the shirts. Now I am going to get started with the vegan steak. Now, oh, I should also mention that the recipe I'm using is a recipe by Happy Pear, and if you guys don't know, I've worked with them before. They are awesome. They are 2 awesome dudes from Ireland. I filmed a couple videos with them before, so I'll link those down below if you guys are interested. They actually did a video with Bosch TV. They made vegan steak, and I watched it, and I was like, oh my god, I need to make this. So I'll link their video below. Again, I'm following the recipe like exactly, so if you want the recipe, the video link will be below. Let's try. Let's do this. We need to add a bunch of things to our handy dandy food processor. I've got one right here. So I have most things measured out already because I want it to be semi-prepared. Now let me move you a little bit more because we're gonna add in 120 grams of chickpeas into a food processor. If you guys are interested in this food processor, I will leave a link down below. I love this thing. I use it all the time. Chickpeas. That was pretty easy. I have some nooch. I've got 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Hi. Add that in there. I've got some smoked paprika, garlic powder, and I've got a pinch of salt. We're also going to add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Whoop. Tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Woohoo! No! I got mustard on my shirt. Thank God I'm wearing black. Oh, Lord. We're also going to add some pepper. Now they said half a teaspoon of pepper. Ooh. So I have this lid here so I can kind of see how much there we go. Maybe add a little bit more. Can never go wrong with pepper, can you? Ooh. Now we're gonna add in some tomato puree. Now this is tomato paste. I'm going to assume it's the same thing because I could not find tomato. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Come on. I'm gonna assume that tomato puree and tomato paste are pretty much the same thing because I couldn't find tomato puree. So I'm gonna add in tomato paste. And then we're also gonna add 100 mils of vegetable stock. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared already. Okay, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tamari. Tamari is kind of like soy sauce. It's just gluten-free soy sauce. I think you can just use soy sauce, but I'm gonna use tamari just in case. So we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of tamari. It smells just like soy sauce. I mean, this thing is not gonna be gluten-free anyway, so do we really need to add tamari instead of soy sauce? I don't know. So I believe, my friends, that's what we need to process in the food processor. Here we go. So we're gonna stick this in the food processor and let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Gonna add everything into a large mixing bowl. Like, it smells smoky. So this, my friends, is what it looks like. Kind of like puke. Great. You wanna come with me here? So now we're gonna add in the Vito wheat gluten. This is what's going to make it very like meat-like, I believe. Oh god. And this is what I'm afraid of. Whew. And then we are just going to mix it with our fingers. So we're supposed to knead this for about 2 minutes. I don't really know. Oh god. Oh god. It feels really weird, guys. Okay, in the beginning it was super liquidy, but now it's coming together. I don't really know how to knead things. This is my problem. It's getting very, very like tough to knead. Oh, it's like a workout. Alright guys, this is what's going on right now. So I went ahead and I kneaded it, is that the right word? And I flattened it out, so we're gonna chop it up and cut it up into 6 pieces. So basically, I think from what I hear from people is that the secret, the trick is that you have to knead it for a long time so that it becomes more like a meaty texture. Maybe just beat it up. Please, please work. Into 6 pieces. Whew. And then maybe just shape it so that it kind of looks like a steak. I feel like steak was one of my favorite foods before I went vegan. Isn't that crazy? So we're just gonna flatten every piece and just make it kind of look more like a piece of steak. Here we have it, guys. Here we have the vegan steaks. We're gonna cover them all up in aluminum foil and then we're gonna get the steaming going. I'm using this steamer. I'm gonna put some water in here and we're gonna steam these bad boys. The steamer is getting ready. We're gonna boil the water so that the steamer can start. We're gonna take some aluminum foil and we're going to cover each piece with aluminum foil. Things are steaming. We're gonna throw these in there. Where's the lid? 20 minutes in the steamer. See you in 20 minutes.
Moments later.
Alright guys, so it has been 20 minutes. We're gonna take this out. So apparently we should let it cool for 5 minutes, so we're gonna take this out and do just that. And while we're letting this cool down, we are going to make the marinade. It's very, very simple. Hi. So for the marinade, we're going to need tamari, the same thing that we used earlier. We're gonna need 6 tablespoons of tamari. We're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup and just 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I would love to do a video one day where I don't drop everything. So 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix that, mix it well. Mix it, mix it. Yummy. Ooh, yeah. All right guys, so it has been about 5 minutes. We have let the vegan steaks cool down. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. So it kind of looks, I don't know, it's a bit questionable. We're not done yet. Just take them all out. What a waste of aluminum. I mean, they look decent. I feel like it's promising. Hi, is this not a good angle? Okay. They look pretty decent. They look more like chicken cutlets or something. This is very exciting. Interesting. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the marinade on a plate so that we can marinate these pieces. Ooh, this is the fun part. Soak it all up. Come on. I feel like it's gonna be salty. I'm a bit afraid, my friends. So that's quite a bit of marinade. I feel like I could have used less tamari, but no big deal. Is it looking pretty meaty? I think it's looking pretty meaty, guys. It's starting to look pretty meaty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're gonna take this to the frying pan. Let's cook these up. Can we just look at these again? They look pretty meaty, guys. Just a few minutes on each side, I think. Ooh. All right, friends, so it has begun to kind of caramelize. It's very exciting. So it's been a couple minutes. I turned it on once, and it's going to char, guys. So it does kind of burn, which I don't really like, but let's see what happens. That, my friends, is one of the steak pieces. All right, guys, we are now ready for the vegan steak taste test. First of all, I made some Brussels sprouts in the air fryer just so I can have something that looks presentable, not just like a big slab of vegan steak. So I cut it up and it looks, the color doesn't look as red as it did in the other recipe video. I don't know why. And the one thing I will say is that it did burn really easily, which I don't know if that's normal. Maybe it's my pan. I have no idea. Oh, but let's just get into the taste test. It does feel very tough. I'm scared. Cheers. It doesn't taste like steak. The texture, maybe I over kneaded it. The texture is like a tough dough. It has the consistency of like a very tough dough. Not like meat. It's not meat. The taste does have that kind of smoky flavor from the paprika, the smoked paprika. But I'm gonna be honest, it's not that good on its own. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. Let me get some barbecue sauce. All right, I have here some barbecue sauce because I remember this is how I used to eat my steak. I put barbecue sauce on it. Is that normal? I feel like anything will taste good with that sauce. Let's try again. I feel like this would just taste better if you put it into a sandwich or something. It's edible. Guys, maybe I think I did something wrong. I can never get the consistency of the seitan correctly. Do you see, like, it's very dense? Maybe I over kneaded it. Like, it's not bad, okay? It just doesn't taste like steak. I don't know what I was expecting, but it definitely does not taste like meat. Like, it doesn't taste like meat, okay? I wouldn't feed this to a meat eater. But I do think with a nice sauce, it is quite good. I mean, I'm eating it all. Maybe I'm just hungry. If I can get the texture correctly, maybe add a little bit of other seasonings, it can actually be very good. I think I just can't get the seitan texture. I don't know what it is. But I feel like I'm gonna finish this because I'm hungry. That was the vegan steak. It had good presentation, right? Presentation value. I don't know if this is a fail or a success. Who knows? I will try it again one day. It does kind of have that nostalgic feeling, me just cutting up steak, you know? This is the secret. Alright you guys, well that was it for my vegan steak attempt. My cook with me video. I'm definitely gonna cut those up and like maybe add it into stir fries. I feel like these would be really, really good as a nice meat replacement for anything. You could just throw it into stir fries, you can throw it into a sandwich. I personally don't think that eating it alone is like really the best, although with barbecue sauce, it did taste pretty good. Yeah, let me know if you guys have a foolproof vegan steak recipe. I would love to try this again. Maybe I will finally succeed in making seitan taste like meat. Who knows? If you guys want to get your hands on this shirt or the other styles, then definitely check out the link down below to get my merch. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!